Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add minute to time in Microsoft Excel. So get started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel sheet is the minute to time. Now for select click for the now keyboard press for the equal and select for the time. First time is 9, select and plus minute time slash first bracket 24 star 60 first bracket close. Now keyboard press for the control enter. Let's select your all columns. Now keyboard press from the control on, then click for the time option, then click for the then NSS time. Now for click for OK. That's it. Then we show the add minute to time in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.